Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit, my host on Click Digest, and today we have with us the Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus with infinity display, and we are going to unbox this and show you what all this gets you. We'll give you first impressions, we'll give you a quick features overview, and what you can expect from this phone. We have this phone in black colored unit, and this is the India retail unit, as you can see here, India SIM only, as it says here. This phone has been priced at around 25 to 26,000 rupees price point. It's a mid-ranger from Samsung and packs in some very interesting features. To start with, it has a 6-inch Full HD Plus infinity display. It has dual rear-facing cameras, which includes a 16 and a 5 megapixel camera. There is a 24 megapixel front-facing camera and face recognition, 3500 mAh battery. So it packs in a lot of features. So let's quickly take this out of the box and show you how it looks. This is a metal design phone and we have this in black color, which looks very classy. It's nicely hefty and feels quite good. It's well weighted. It's a 6 inches display on front, as you can see, and the glass on the display curves slightly towards the edge of the phone, but this is not curved display. There is a slight chin here. It's 18.5:9 aspect ratio, 6 inches display. Let me keep this to the side and show you what else is in the box. So here you have some documentation which includes quick start guide. There is warranty card and some other information. The SAR information is right here. So if you are interested, this is how it is. A standard data cable. This is USB to micro USB. And you get standard pair of Samsung earphones. This is the wall adapter that you get, 1.55 ampere or roughly 7.5 watts, and there is also a SIM ejector pin that has been provided here. Let's get back to the phone here. Giving a quick overview of the physical overview of this phone, you have a 6-inch front facing display. There are no buttons. Below the screen here is a 24 megapixel front facing camera, standard earpiece. There is LED flash. On the right hand side there is power wake up key. There is a speaker grill right here. On top there is nothing. It says Qualcomm 4G, so that's a Qualcomm branding there. You get two discrete volume buttons and there are two trays over here, two SIM card trays. The middle one here is the SIM one, which is a nano SIM, and the other tray, which is the larger tray, is SIM 2 and micro SD. So there are discrete SIM cards slots as well as micro SD card slot. On the bottom is the charging port, primary microphone hole and 3.5mm audio port. You can see the antenna lines here. On the rear is the 16 megapixel camera with a 5 megapixel secondary depth sensor. Below that is the fingerprint scanner. You also get LED flash here, Samsung branding and some compliance information. Let me quickly set this phone and get back. And we are back after a quick setup, and this is how the display looks like. This is a 6-inch front full high definition 18:9 display, and they call it infinity display. Slightly curved, as you can see on the edges of the display, and it is rocking a Snapdragon 450 processor. Feels more responsive compared to the J6 that we unboxed earlier, and feels better. It comes with 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of memory. Let's test out the dual rear camera setup. It gets a 16+5 camera setup at the rear. So let's try and take some pictures here. So here you have live focus mode. You also get other you get live focus, stickers, Bixby vision. So there are plenty of other modes that are available here. The background blur can be adjusted. You can turn on the full view in camera app, so there are some extra features provided there. If you swipe this side, you get filters. If you swipe from this side, you get the modes. There is auto mode, pro mode, panorama, continuous shot, night, sport, sound and shot. In Pro mode, you can control the exposure, ISO and white balance. So there are some partial controls provided. The front facing camera is a 24 megapixel shooter. So let's take a picture here. There's also a front facing flash that has been provided. So this is for the exposure, and this is the flash settings on top. So when you turn on the flash, the screen also works as a flash, and this is how the 24 megapixel picture comes out to be. Very detailed, lot of detail being captured, and quite a wide frame, as you can see here. The pictures from the rear facing camera are also coming out to be good, and with the pictures wherein you use the live focus, you can also adjust the focus on the go, so that is also a cool thing. So it comes with 16 plus 5 megapixel dual rear setup. The cameras are impressive here. The performance, however, with a Snapdragon 450 chip, you can expect it to be mid-range but not high-end. The display here is really good. The touch responsiveness is very good. The software here that this phone uses is based on the Android 8 Oreo. So let me quickly show you the software information here. And on top of that is Samsung Experience UI 9.0. There's also Bixby Assistant that has been provided. In terms of Samsung apps, you get Samsung Mall. There's also Samsung Pay Mini that is available, but not the full featured NFC enabled Samsung Pay. In this you can add your wallets, etc. So all in all, at 25 to 26,000 rupees, this phone to me appears a bit pricey if you consider the specifications. But if you look at the features, it has face unlock, it has fingerprint unlock which works well, it has got a beautiful Super AMOLED display, it is sorted in terms of design and cameras, looks beautiful, and comes with a metal design and the brand trust of Samsung along with it. But do you think it is worth your money? I'm leaving Best Buy links in the description section below. If you want to pick up one for yourself, you can pick up from there. Do leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, stay subscribed for more. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.